Hey guys, got an unboxing video for you today. Got a package from Mike Felton. Sent me some red cherry shrimp. Should be about 20 of them, so we're gonna crack this thing up and see what we got. No insulation or heat pack. It's pretty warm where I am, so there's no need for that. Sent me a card there. Actually did put some insulation around the actual package here. Don't see any dead ones. A couple bigger ones in there. Some juveniles too. Pretty good packaging. I will give you guys an update in a few days.